Hey guys, NATGEE here, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I don't even know how to describe this video, but basically I have a new install technique for you and I want to try a new synthetic wig. So I thought, why not just have those videos join forces and we'll do a 2-in-1. So if you're interested in seeing me install this wig, then just scroll down, hit that subscribe button, join the NATGEE gang, and let's get into this video. So today's wig is a sensational textured lace wig. So I went to the beauty supply store and I just went to go pick up like hair gel and stuff that I needed for back to work, because this is how I usually go back to work. Like I just slick my shit back and I'm done. But I always check out synthetic wigs because like I follow synthetic wig channels like Courtney, I'll link hers down below, because she's always trying synthetic wigs. So to me, I'm like, there's so much out there that I just need to get into it more. So I saw this and it was a textured lace wig. This is what it looks like. It's called Heartbreaker. And this is exactly how I want my natural hair to look. Like I can't wait till my natural hair gets to a length like this where I can just like flexi rod it and be like good for like a week. Like this is like my ideal style. So when I saw this, I was like, I need to try this out because it's not like a curl. It's literally just textured wig. 100% premium fibers. It's a tailored texture, curls and kinks and co. And the color is F430. So it's like black with a little bit of light brown in it. I don't know what the front is saying. Like, I don't know if it's a frontal or not. I can't remember. It's a lace front edge lace wig. So let's see. Because how I imagine this is that, maybe not today with today's install, but I imagine keeping my hairline out and like using this somewhat like a U-part wig. Like even if it's like right here, I feel like that would be a great productive style. Like just make my life way easier and just all I have to do is take out my edges. Okay, anyways, let's take out and unbox this wig. So yeah, it is like a lace frontal wig with baby hair, it says, and a deep curved part. She made me a little nervous when I took her out of the box because I was gonna just throw her on and I was like, nah, I really want to keep my first impressions for the video. And I saw those curls and I was like, it's giving auntie. And nobody's, actually I'm 10 kids auntie, let me just shut up. So she comes very like corkscrewed. I'm going to have to obviously detangle and make her look proper, but for now I'm just gonna clean up the inside of the cap. This is what it looks like. See how it looks? Just because of the fact that before I do anything, I might be uncomfortable with the clips because my hair's not braided right now. I went in the shower with full intention of doing it. Came out and was like, no. And I kind of want to see what the lace is saying. So let's put this on. She looks like a very small cap. I'm a little nervous because, oh, snug, like I said, but like a comfortable snug off top, not giving me anything. I mean, this lace looks good. The hairline, I will definitely pluck a little bit right now, just because I don't believe that anyone's hairline looks like this. The baby hairs, where are they though? Like I'm trying to find them and I don't, okay, here's some. I'm not seeing many of them. Like, how am I supposed to find these? Do I want to go through these? Not particularly. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to pluck and then I'm going to just make new ones, because this is going to take me all day if I don't. Let's get into plucking and customizing and application. It's relatively simple. I'm just going to spray this on my hairline and put an elastic band down to melt it, and that'll be done. But let's just do it. Let me know if you have any questions, but we're gonna speed through most of this. So while plucking, I'm realizing that this is probably like a really good wig for people who are beginners into like lace laying and stuff like that, because there's not that much lace. It cuts off right at the ear. It's a natural texture, so you don't have to worry about it blending and being weird with your natural hair, especially if it's a straight haired wig. So something like this gives you that freedom to be like, I don't need to even worry about that. I don't need to worry about ear flaps. I don't need to worry about nothing. However, they don't give you much lace to work with. And I'm not talking about this. I don't mind that this is short. I'm talking about back here. This is basically tracked like right here. I need a little bit more lace. Either give me more lace back here or pluck it. Like it should be more pre-plucked because you're not giving me much lace, so I don't have anywhere to go after this. Like, it's not gonna get like much better, you know what I mean? Like the hairline is probably gonna stay basically the same because I don't have room to pluck. But I don't have the, like there's no room behind here, there's no lace back here. And even the part, like whose part do you know is like an exact 90-degree angle? Like, these are the things. I don't think the part itself needs work, but the opening of the part was just like too much. So let's work with this and cut some baby hairs. I almost forgot to tint the lace, so I'm just using airbrush legs. The lace is not bad. I just prefer my part specifically to look more bright. So it's like, wow, scalp. This is the inside of the cap, and this is why I was saying you don't have much room to work with anything, because as you can see, there's a track, like, there's not much hair on the lace. Most of the hair is on the cap. Let us spray. This stuff had me shook. I used it to install a wig a couple of weeks ago when I had to go out really quickly. Like someone last minute texted me and she was like, I'm in town, let's go out. You see how I said that when I'm at work, my hair's in a bun? I mean like a gelled back, slick back, professional Miss Ma'am bun. It's not because like I am that person at work, it's just because it's just easier. I don't have to worry about it. I can usually get away with that hairstyle for like 2 days without having to disturb my hair. So I just gel my hair back. So my hair was gelled back. And this person texted me, I think at like 3 o'clock that day. And I was like, about it, obviously, but I didn't want to have to go shower, wash my hair, and then re-slick and then go out with wet hair. So I was like, let me just put the bun under my wig like I'm doing now. And I don't want to do a full install, let's just do something quick. So I'm like, let me try this. This actually melts, like melts. Like this melts like how people show me got to be glued is supposed to melt. But that never happens for me. The glued gel, yes. The glued spray, I even have it right here. This is my thumbnail. Just saying. This never melts for me. Does it have great hold? Does it work for flyaways? Does it even work for some like weird ear flappy areas? For sure. This melted my hair that night. My hairline was set good like icing out of freezer. So I'm gonna use it again. I wanna know if it was a fluke or whatever. And plus we're trying it with a synthetic wig, so let's get into that. Have something to wipe nearby. I'm just gonna use a beauty sponge just to kind of keep it out of my face, but it runs, it's runny. So just like anything else when it comes to wigs, gotta do some layers. I'm not gonna do too many because I'm just gonna wear it in the house for a couple hours to take it off. So this is gonna be my last layer, but that night I'm certain I did like 3 layers and I let it get really tacky. Like right now, I let it dry down. It's almost like a protective layer, and then this is the one I'm gonna load up on. So I just do a quick like tap to see if it is ready. Honestly, because this wig is so snug, I'm a little worried about taking this off, so I'm going to cut this. And would that have helped more? Absolutely. But my fear is that if all of it is stuck to my forehead, how am I supposed to get it off and cut the lace? Ah, this is the most dramatic part about wiggling. My gosh. Okay. This would be a cute headband wig though. So now we're applying pressure to melt this in. And while we wait, I'm going to start detangling this. So I'm going to go eat and come back and take off the headband, and hopefully everything will be laid and we'll be done. I wish I had brought this down a bit more because now my forehead looks big. First I'm gonna just spray the hairline and blow dry it, because there's just a couple edges that are like lifted a little bit. And now that it's a little tacky, I'm just moving some of the baby hairs out to kind of help just fluff up the hairline. Otherwise, it's gonna look crazy. Let's see if I can do some edge control on these papas. Okay, and practically done. This is a finished look. I'm gonna come in close. Very much so like my ancestors. Like I just know I'm from like Ethiopia. Like whoever took my ancestors to Jamaica, we need to have a talk because I know I'm from Ethiopia. Like, was there really any denying it when I have my hair like this? But anyways, this is what the hairline looks like. Like I said, it's super dense. So this won't be my favorite thing. I might just slap a headband on this anyways, because my forehead looks massive. Let me know if this big wig is giving or no. I do like it. I could definitely see myself wearing it. I might not even take it off tonight and see if I can get away with it for the week. But it's a lot of hair. For me, like, yes, it's natural. Oh, someone's sun is sunning right in my eye. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. Leave that in the comments down below. And as always, subscribe to me. You pay my bills, right? Again, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.